What should you do first if your device is lost or stolen?
Stay calm and act quickly. Start by retracing your steps and attempting to call or ping the device if possible. Enable any available location tracking service, such as Find My iPhone or Find My Device. If the device is truly lost or stolen, report it to the local authorities and your service provider as soon as possible.
How can you protect your personal data immediately?
It's safe to change your passwords or all your contact information. Lock or remotely wipe your lost device using its built-in security features, in case they receive suspicious messages from your accounts.
What steps should you take to track or recover your device?
Use tracking features and report the loss. Activate tracking tools like Find My iPhone or Find My Device to locate your device. If the device is on the move or appears at an unfamiliar location, do not attempt to recover it yourself. Share the information with local law enforcement.
Why is it important to inform your carrier and bank?
Prevent misuse and financial loss. Contact your mobile carrier to lock or disable your SIM card, which stops unauthorized calls and data use. Notify your bank if any financial apps or payment information were accessible from the device, so they can monitor for fraudulent activity.
How can you prepare for the future?
Plan ahead to reduce risk. Use strong passwords or biometric locks on your devices. Regularly back up your data to the cloud. Enable tracking and remote wipe features in advance. Review the security settings for all your accounts to make recovery easier if you ever lose a device again.